All right, so here's a look at this cold therapy machine. Now this is great because you're able to use it not only on your leg, but you could also use it on other parts of your body as well. It's going to be a very small, compact machine compared to some of the other ones that I've seen on Amazon. And this is great for if you're going to be traveling around or if you're just going to be moving around in the house. Now I know a lot of people will be getting this after something like a knee surgery. So you might be down on the couch and then you might move to a different bedroom. So it is nice that you could just pick it up and bring it with you pretty much anywhere. Now, before I actually show you how it works and everything, let's go ahead and take a look at the actual piece itself. So you can see here, this is what the pad is going to look like. And like I said, this can be used on multiple parts of your body. So wrapping it around your knee is relatively easy. You could also do something like a shoulder wrap. So if you've got some type of shoulder injury or if you've got some type of shoulder surgery, you could do that. I've also seen people who will wrap this on their back. Because it comes with this piece right here, you are able to really get it all the way around your body just like this. You can kind of strap it and utilize it just like that. So you could use it on your legs, your back, pretty much anywhere that you can essentially wrap this strap around. Now this is the bottom of the pad. You can see this is where the water is going to be. So let me go ahead and turn it on. That way you can kind of see how the water flows into here. You can see once I turn it on, the water is moving and flowing all throughout it. And it's basically like a maze. It's going to move from here all the way up around this way. And then it's going to go down and out through this bottom tube. So the benefit of this is you're going to have a nice cold water flow that's going to be going through here at all times. Now inside of the bag here, you can see this is where the pump is going to be at. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Actually, we'll take this out and this is what the pump looks like on the inside. It's pretty tiny, but it is powerful enough to push all that water through, and it's going to have these little suction pieces down here at the bottom, which are going to go down at the bottom of the bag and stick there. You could also see on the inside there's going to be a couple of different lines. The first line is going to be the minimum ice line, and then at the top will be the water maximum line. The best way to use this is honestly just going to be using frozen water bottles. That way you can just throw them back in the freezer and then you can put them right here inside of the bag, keeping this nice and cold. I would recommend starting off with just really cold water and maybe one water bottle at first because it does get pretty cold, and because of the fact that this moves throughout this pad, it's constantly staying cold. So after a while, you're going to feel how cold this actually is. So give it a try with just one water bottle first. Now let's go ahead and actually wrap it on my knee. So you can see here, I've got it like this. You're going to put this smaller part down here and the larger part up here on your thigh. Then it's going to come with this strap. And the great thing about this is a compression strap. So not only are you going to be getting ice on here, you're also going to have this compression, which works great. So let's go ahead and put this on here. You can strap this piece down here at the bottom. I'm going to wrap this over and I'm going to just keep going around kind of in a crisscross type pattern. I'll bring it around here, and then this side will have the Velcro. I could just snap it right back on there. Now another tip would be make sure that you're actually sitting in the position that you want to be once the wrap is finished. So if you're going to have your leg extended, wrap it extended. If you're going to have your leg, your knee bent like this, then make sure that you wrap it bent, because you're going to need to make sure that it's in the right position. Because you can see I did it bent. If I open it up, now it's kind of loose, so I would have to re-strap it. So just make sure you do it in the position you want to stay in. Here's the remote that it comes with. It's going to be connected to the cable, and the cable that it comes with is fairly long. You can see how much space there actually is. You probably could bring this way over to the other side of the couch, but this is the remote. You've got a couple of basic options here. You're going to turn it on. You've got a high, a medium, and a low flow. So that's just how much water is actually being pumped through at a time. And then you've got a 15-minute, a 30-minute, and a 60-minute timer on here. So kind of just depending on if you wanted to leave this on for just a set amount of time, you could do so. Again, I would recommend starting off maybe with the low or the medium and go for about 15 minutes. See how you feel with that one water bottle, and then you can kind of increase the coldness as much as you want after. This is going to be perfect for anybody who just got any type of knee surgery, or if you just have knee pain. I utilize this because I do a lot of running and hiking. So when putting this on my knees after a run or a hike, it's nice because it brings down that inflammation in the knee. Plus, I also have one of those leg massagers that kind of go over both of your legs. So I'll do the heat and the compression from the leg massager, and then I'll throw this ice pack on here, and then it'll bring that inflammation down in my knee. So I can do multiple consecutive days of running without having any problems. I also really like the case that it came with, because you could also carry this around nice and easily. It'll have this strap on here, which you could Velcro across, and then you can basically just pick this up and bring it with you into the other room. You could also leave the water in there. You don't have to worry about the water splashing out or anything like that. And it'll also have this zipper right here, which will help prevent even more. And you can see this is a waterproof zipper as well. So even if you do kind of splash it around, the water's not going to come out of here. You can kind of push that up against there. And then it's also going to have this strap that goes across here that'll like hold everything in place. And like I said, you've got your strap that you can pull up here to lift it up and bring it over into another room. And it also has these straps over here on the side as well. So if you've got this under the sink and you're filling it up with water, I like utilizing these straps a little bit better. Then I can just lift it off, bring it over to the couch and start using it. It'll also come with some extra straps as well. So if you did need a little bit more compression on here compared to just the one strap that it gives you, you can add that on there. Or if you wanted to extend this to make it a little bit longer, you could also add this strap to the end of it and then make it an even longer strap. So if you're looking for a compact, powerful ice therapy machine that works great for the knee, for the shoulder, or pretty much anywhere on your body, and is nice and small that you could bring around with you anywhere, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.